everybody, it's Neil, and today I have this. This is the Tiken Thermal Vacuum Carafe. And, oh, sorry, I was showing kind of the wrong side. There it is. The Tiken Thermal Vacuum Carafe. And it's, this one here is 1.5 liters, and we're gonna check this thing out and see if it keeps water hot. I don't have a coffee maker. I don't really drink coffee, but I do like to drink, like, I have soup and stuff like that. I always make soup. I make, I don't even know where I put it. I don't have much in here. Ramen soup to make these. So I figured, okay, what if I make some of that and take it with me somewhere? So let's give this a try. And we're gonna take this. So this is what's in the box. Box is empty here. It has a picture, cleaning instructions. So it just basically explains how to clean it in there and instructions for use. So I'm gonna try it and just put some hot water in it and see how it works before I clean it even. So this is what it looks like. It looks like one of the ones that you would see at a restaurant. Kind of cool. And it's got the little push button here to get it out. Let's open it up and look inside. There you go. You can see it's pretty much a thermos inside, and it's got this big thermal cap, and then the push button that I guess opens the release a little bit. Yep, you can see when I push that, it goes down, so it kind of releases it so you can pour a little bit out. So the water here is coming out super hot because I'm very close to the hot water heater. So I'm gonna fill it up. It takes a lot, I guess, 51 ounces. Yeah, 1.5 liters. That's a pretty decent size carafe. Trying to think, so I guess it'll probably fit like 2.5. So there we go. It'll fit probably 2.5 ramen soups. So let's see as I turn it. It does kind of stop when it gets to there. So it's always going to end up lining up right. So here we go. A little bit of drip out of here. Oh, maybe that was probably just because I had it overfilled because it was too hot. And when I screwed it on, a little bit came out there. But let's see. Okay, here we go. Yep, not really leaking, so that's good. So I can stick it in my car or whatever if it falls over. Not gonna be getting stuff or anywhere. Let's try to push the button. It pours pretty quick. Okay, so now I've got and it's nice and cool on the outside. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna leave this right now for, I think I'll even leave it for a couple of hours. I'll go watch a couple of TV shows, leave it for a couple of hours, and then see how it does and see if it's still hot when I get back. So that'll be interesting. So we'll try that, and I'll be back shortly. Okay, I don't remember what angle I had the camera at because I did another video, but okay, so I'm back, and it did warm up a little bit on the outside, so it is kind of warm. So a little bit of it came through the thermalness of it. It's weird. Right back here is warm, and here it's still kind of cool. So interesting. But let's see how the water is and see if it's still hot in there. So I'm gonna you guys a little bit here so you can see. So here we go. I'm gonna pour it. Oh, it scared me. It wasn't really. It's hot. Oh yeah, it's definitely hot. I couldn't really pour it on myself for very long. So I'm guessing it was probably a couple of hours. So after a couple of hours, it did stay pretty hot. And if you look at it here, it's got its handle. The handle's a little bit flexible. I thought maybe, is it gonna bend and break? But no, it just flexes, so it's good. So it has a good feel to it. I really like it. It's the Tiken. It even has it on there. And it was the Tiken Thermal Vacuum Carafe. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel as well. And I guess it's got that vacuum double layer, talks all about it there. Seems like a really good carafe. So if you want to make a coffee for a party or something like that, and you have your coffee pot and you just want to keep making a few, this would be great. Stick it out on the table and it'll last through the whole meal and dessert. So you guys are good. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll be back with more reviews soon. Bye.